Across the globe, nature unveils breathtaking spectacles that stand as timeless reminders of Earth's beauty and power. From towering cliffs sculpted by relentless winds to crystal-clear lakes whose colors defy imagination, every destination tells a story of transformation. These wonders are shaped by millennia of geological forces, weathering, and life itself. In this journey, we'll uncover 30 remarkable sites, each offering a glimpse into the intricate processes of nature and the harmony that exists between land, water, and sky. Prepare to be inspired by the artistry of our planet. The cliffs of Moher, located on Ireland's western coast, rise majestically up to 702 feet above the Atlantic Ocean. These dramatic cliffs were shaped over millions of years by natural forces of erosion. The view from the cliffs is breathtaking, offering panoramic sights of the wild ocean and distant Aran Islands. The cliffs are not only a natural wonder, but also home to diverse bird species, making them a truly captivating sight that seems to stretch into infinity. Angel Falls, located in Venezuela's Canaima National Park, is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, plunging 979 meters. The falls are formed by the Churun River, cascading from Auyan Tepui, a flat-top mountain. Surrounded by dense jungle, they offer a breathtaking sight, especially during the rainy season when the water flow is most powerful. This stunning natural wonder is a remote and captivating destination for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Geirangerfjord, located in Norway, is a breathtaking natural wonder. Formed by glaciers millions of years ago, it features steep cliffs and crystal-clear waters. Surrounded by majestic mountains and cascading waterfalls, such as the Seven Sisters, the fjord's beauty is truly mesmerizing. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is an ideal destination for nature lovers. Visitors can explore its serene landscapes by boat, hike nearby trails, or simply admire its majestic beauty, which remains captivating year-round. Lençóis Maranhenses, located in northeastern Brazil, is a unique desert landscape. During the rainy season, freshwater lagoons form between towering white sand dunes, creating an almost magical sight. The dunes, shaped by winds over centuries, shift continuously, adding to the dynamic beauty of the park. This phenomenon is a result of a combination of rainfall and the natural topography, making it one of the world's most breathtaking and surreal landscapes. The park is a haven for explorers and nature lovers alike. Plitvice Lakes in Croatia is a paradise of cascading waterfalls formed by natural processes over thousands of years. These 16 turquoise lakes are interconnected by streams and surrounded by lush forests. During spring and autumn, water levels rise, creating spectacular views. The travertine formation process continuously reshapes the landscape, making it a captivating UNESCO World Heritage Site. Plitvice Lakes embodies the wonder of nature, as if drawn from a living fairy tale. Railay, Thailand, is a stunning peninsula framed by towering limestone cliffs. The area is famous for its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. The dramatic cliffs, shaped by centuries of erosion, are a magnet for rock climbers. Railay's beauty is also highlighted by its hidden caves and lagoons, accessible only by boat or hiking. This paradise remains largely untouched, providing a serene escape, especially during the dry season when the weather is perfect for exploration and adventure. Mount Bromo, located in Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, Indonesia, is an active volcano famous for its magical views. Every morning, thick fog blankets the caldera, creating a stunning sight. Volcanic smoke rising from the crater adds to the dramatic effect. Bromo erupts periodically, creating captivating natural phenomena. The mountain is often visited during the dry season, when clear weather provides an extraordinary visual experience amidst the surreal landscape. The Maldives, an island paradise in the Indian Ocean, is renowned for its crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. Formed by over 1,000 coral islands, the Maldives is a haven for marine life. The islands experience a tropical climate, with the dry season offering the best time to visit. The unique underwater ecosystems and stunning white sand beaches create a mesmerizing atmosphere. Drawing visitors seeking both relaxation and adventure, making it one of the world's most sought-after travel destinations. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the world's largest coral reef system, spanning over 2,300 kilometers. Formed over millions of years, it's home to diverse marine life, including fish, corals, and sea turtles. The reef's vibrant ecosystem is supported by the warm tropical waters of the Coral Sea. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it faces threats from climate change and pollution, making conservation efforts critical to preserving its breathtaking beauty and ecological importance. Pulpit Rock, or Preikestolen, is a breathtaking cliff in Norway, towering 604 meters above Lysefjord. Formed by glacial erosion, this massive rock formation offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding fjords and mountains. The hike to reach the summit takes around 4 to 5 hours, with visitors rewarded by a dramatic, flat-topped platform that seems to float above the water. Its striking beauty, especially at sunrise or sunset, makes it a must-see for adventurers and nature lovers alike. The Chocolate Hills in Bohol, Philippines, are a geological wonder, consisting of over 1,200 cone-shaped hills. These hills are covered in grass that turns brown during the dry season, giving them their chocolate appearance. Formed through the erosion of limestone, this phenomenon showcases nature's artistry. Located in the Philippines' tropical climate, It is most striking during the summer months when the hills are at their most vibrant, resembling an otherworldly landscape. Bryce Canyon, located in Utah, USA, is famous for its unique rock formations called hoodoos. These spire-like structures were formed through erosion and freeze-thaw cycles over thousands of years. The canyon's vibrant red, orange, and pink colors are the result of iron-rich rocks reacting with water. The best time to visit is during sunrise or sunset, when the light creates a stunning contrast against the rocky landscape, offering an unforgettable, magical view of this natural wonder. Socotra Island, off the coast of Yemen, is known as the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. This island showcases unique biodiversity, including the dragon blood tree that resembles a giant umbrella. Isolated for 20 million years, its flora and fauna evolved independently. During spring, exotic flowers bloom, creating a magical landscape with striking colors. Scientists study this island to uncover the wonders of evolution, making it a natural treasure. Halong Bay, located in northern Vietnam, is known for its stunning limestone pillars rising from emerald waters. Formed millions of years ago by erosion and tectonic shifts, the bay is dotted with nearly 2,000 islands. Its unique karst landscape, combined with lush greenery, creates a breathtaking sight. Best visited during the dry season, Ha Long Bay offers a serene escape, attracting nature lovers and adventurers to explore its mystical waters and towering formations, creating an almost magical atmosphere. Los Glaciares National Park in Argentina is home to stunning landscapes shaped by massive glaciers. The Perito Moreno Glacier, one of the few advancing glaciers, continually moves, creating large ice breaks that crash into Lake Argentina. These ice formations are a result of thousands of years of glacial movement. Surrounded by the towering Andes, this area offers a glimpse into the power and beauty of nature, with spectacular views and opportunities for scientific exploration. It's a place where time itself seems to freeze. Chapada Diamantina, located in Brazil, is a captivating national park known for its stunning landscapes. Towering plateaus, lush valleys, and crystal-clear waterfalls define this region. The park's unique terrain formed over millions of years, creating deep canyons and caves. Visitors explore its natural beauty, from the colorful cave pools to the towering cliffs. The dry season offers clear views, while the rainy season enhances waterfall power. Chapada Diamantina's beauty and history make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventurers. On the Isle of Skye, Scotland, towering cliffs meet misty skies. As rain and wind carve jagged peaks, the landscape shifts with time. The Old Man of Storr, a rock formation, rises dramatically from the ground, while the quiraying landslip creates surreal terrain. Formed millions of years ago by volcanic activity and erosion, these features enchant visitors. Located on Scotland's west coast, the island is a haven for hikers, offering an otherworldly atmosphere in every season. Hawaii, a volcanic archipelago in the Pacific, was formed through millions of years of eruptions. Lava flows solidified into islands, each with unique features like active volcanoes, lush rainforests, and vibrant coral reefs. The island's isolation has led to the evolution of endemic species. Hawaii's landscapes, from the majestic cliffs of Kauai to the black sand beaches of Big Island, captivate visitors, offering a glimpse into Earth's powerful geological forces and natural beauty. The islands are particularly stunning during sunset. The aurora borealis, or northern lights, is a stunning natural phenomenon occurring in the northern polar regions, such as Norway and Iceland. When charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere, green, red, and purple lights dance across the night sky. This phenomenon is most visible during the fall and winter months, creating a mesmerizing view as if from a magical world. The aurora borealis symbolizes the beauty of nature and the incredible power of the universe. The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a natural wonder of 40,000 hexagonal basalt columns formed 60 million years ago. Lava from volcanic eruptions cooled and contracted, creating this geometric marvel. The columns, some towering like stairways to the sea, fuel legends of giants shaping the land. Located near the Atlantic, it dazzles visitors year-round, especially under a golden sunset. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stands as both a scientific spectacle and a realm of mythical allure. Raja Ampat, located in Indonesia's Papua province, is a pristine archipelago renowned for its vibrant marine life and breathtaking landscapes. The islands are surrounded by crystal-clear waters, home to one of the world's most biodiverse ecosystems. Raja Ampat is a paradise for divers, offering vivid coral reefs and abundant sea creatures. The region's rugged islands, lush forests, and dramatic cliffs create a magical, otherworldly scene, drawing nature enthusiasts and adventurers from across the globe. Baobab Alley, located in Madagascar, is a stunning natural wonder. This iconic path is lined with ancient baobab trees, some over 800 years old, standing tall against the sky. These trees are a symbol of Madagascar's unique biodiversity. The striking silhouette of the trees at sunset creates a magical scene. Baobab Alley has become a must-see destination, attracting visitors with its surreal landscape, rich history, and the captivating allure of these timeless giants. Pamukkale, located in southwestern Turkey, is a breathtaking natural wonder, often called the Cotton Castle. Over millennia, mineral-rich hot springs form gleaming white terraces of travertine, cascading down the hillside. The pools, filled with turquoise water, shimmer under the sun, creating a surreal landscape. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a fusion of beauty and geology, attracting visitors year-round. Scientists attribute its formation to tectonic activity beneath the Menderes Valley, which continues to shape this magical destination. Nestled in Iceland's Vatnajökull Glacier, the ice caves are stunning natural formations. Each winter, meltwater carves intricate blue tunnels, revealing crystal-clear walls. The caves, formed by ice and water over centuries, are a rare sight. The changing light enhances their ethereal beauty, creating a magical, otherworldly atmosphere. Visitors can explore these frozen chambers, witnessing nature's artistry. Located in southeast Iceland, they are accessible from November to March, when the caves are stable and safe for exploration. Devil's Tower, located in Wyoming, USA, is a striking natural landmark. Rising 1,267 feet above the surrounding landscape. Formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, its distinctive shape is a result of erosion exposing the tower's core. The monument is sacred to several Native American tribes. Visitors can explore the area, enjoy the breathtaking views, and learn about its geological and cultural significance. The tower stands as a symbol of nature's power and beauty. Nestled in Arizona's Vermilion Cliffs National Monument, the Rainbow Mountains dazzle with vibrant red, orange, and yellow stripes. Formed over millions of years, layers of sedimentary rock compressed and eroded, revealing stunning bands of color. This natural spectacle owes its hues to varying minerals like iron oxide and manganese. Best viewed under sunlight, especially at sunrise or sunset, these mountains evoke the surreal beauty of an artist's palette, mesmerizing visitors with their otherworldly charm. Meteora, Greece, is a striking landscape of towering rock formations rising sharply from the valley floor. Over millions of years, natural erosion sculpted these sandstone pillars, reaching heights of 400 meters. The result is a breathtaking scene, almost otherworldly, where monasteries were built atop these rocks in the 14th century. Today, Meteora stands as both a geological wonder and a cultural treasure, attracting visitors with its spiritual atmosphere and stunning views, especially at sunrise and sunset. Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth, stands at 8,848 meters in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and China. Formed millions of years ago by tectonic movements, Everest is known for its harsh conditions and perilous climbs. Adventurers face extreme altitudes, freezing temperatures, and fierce winds. Despite its dangers, it draws mountaineers seeking to conquer the roof of the world. The best time to summit is during the spring and autumn months, when weather conditions are relatively stable. Lake Natron, located in northern Tanzania, is a strikingly unique saltwater lake. Known for its high alkalinity, the lake's waters can reach pH levels of up to 10.5, caused by the sodium carbonate from nearby volcanic activity. This extreme environment creates stunning red and orange hues, often attracting flamingos. The lake is surrounded by a harsh, dry landscape, making it a remote but captivating natural wonder. Despite its hostile conditions, life thrives in this exceptional ecosystem. These natural wonders are not just places to admire, but reminders of our responsibility to protect this incredible planet. Each location tells a story of nature's power and delicate harmony. By appreciating, learning from, and preserving them, we contribute to a brighter future for our Earth. If you feel inspired, share these stories, plan your own adventure, and be part of the efforts to safeguard the environment. Explore, cherish, and care for the beauty of our world.